Don't let the word bot throw you off. I can understand why people have all sorts of misgivings regarding this word. When we think about bots, we think about malicious and seemingly autonomous pieces of code that create all sorts of havoc. A lot of online consumers don't have exactly a very favorable view of automated communication software, aka bots. The good news is that bots aren't all that bad. Facebook Messenger bots are proof of this. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to understand the importance of Facebook Messenger bots. You will learn to take advantage of the Facebook Messenger platform automation features. You will understand how it can help your business. You can begin to walk prospects through an automated sales funnel. You're going to learn exactly how using Facebook Messenger and automating it through Facebook Messenger bots enables your brand to distinguish itself from the competition. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Facebook Messenger Bot Marketing Unleashed. How to leverage this emerging platform to grow your target audience. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is Facebook Messenger and how can it help your business? A more in-depth look at FB Messenger bots. How can Facebook Messenger bots grow your audience? The do's and don'ts of marketing through a Facebook Messenger chatbot. How to qualify Facebook Messenger traffic. The classic sales funnel. How to create your own Facebook Messenger bot. How to drive more people to your Facebook Messenger chatbot. The 10 main reasons why you should use Facebook Messenger bot marketing. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually leverage this emerging platform to grow your target audience. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the following, you need this. You want to drive qualified traffic to your website. You want to automate your engagement with your audience. You want to automate your engagements with people trying to get more information about your business. You know that if you want your business to thrive, you need to look no further than Facebook. You want to learn how to use Facebook Messenger bots to grow your audience. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Facebook Messenger Bot Marketing Unleashed, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Facebook Messenger Bot Marketing Unleashed Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Facebook Messenger Bot Marketing Unleashed Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to set up an automated conversion system, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If, for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you get the Facebook marketing competitive advantage you've been looking for. I'll see you on the inside.